Are you craving something hearty and delicious? Let's make turmeric rice with beef step by step from kitchen to the table. Hello friends, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm cooking a flavorful turmeric rice with beef recipe that's perfect for family meals. I'm so glad you're here. Come with me as I prepare this golden turmeric rice with beef, a dish my family loves. It's kinda a recipe tutorial. I'll be showing you how to make turmeric rice with beef, easy, tasty and perfect for any occasion. I started by washing my beef to remove the impurities and to make my beef to be clean. Next, I placed the beef in a pot, added some salt and allowed it to simmer until all the natural juice reduced and dried up. Once ready, I drizzled a little oil, added chopped spring onion, sautéed it together with my mixed spices until the beef was fragrant and well coated, as you can see in my video, guys. After that, I stirred in my well-rinsed rice to the beef, stirred it well to mix. After that, I added some 1 liter of water and let it simmer gently on medium heat for around 15 minutes until it was perfectly cooked, as you can see in my video, guys. 15 minutes later, the results was a pot of fluffy golden turmeric rice with tender beef, served hot and enjoyed with my family, as you can see in my video, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. Bye.